So guys, I'm going to show you guys how we plant the rice here. So first thing you do, you just do like this. Like this. Look guys. This is how we plant the rice. Like this. Ibalik ko lang. This is how we do guys. So I'm pastor. Yeah. As you can see guys, it's very straight. Oh, ano pa? Yan! Naman, ano man?
Kasi kundi nita.
Naman.
Hindi ang kamot. Iot.
So guys, this is what I grow up. So we know everything about this. Yeah, this is how I grow up guys. So we know everything, how to plant the rice, how to get this rice from the mud. So yeah, province girl, thank you guys. Please support us, please support me for all my videos. Yeah, hopefully you guys support me. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.